Create a trading platform in C# that will connect to Interactive Brokers Traders Workstation. The Interactive Brokers API allows you to write your own programs in your own computer language of choice: C#, Java, Visual Basic, C++, and Python. I wanted to create my own trading platform that I could use to place trades for me and help me trade better and faster, do the necessary calculations. I don't particularly care for the Interactive Brokers trading platform, so I wanted to create my own. And this is an update to a series of videos I've done in the past, maybe a couple years ago. Since then, there's been updates to the API and the trader platform, Traders Workstation. And this is what we'll be creating, this trading form here. So basically what it does is does the trades for you instead of relying on Interactive Brokers sort of cheesy trading platform. Trading platforms that I do like are the one from Flight Speed, so I'm gonna sort of tailor it after Flight Speed. So buy 200 shares of Microsoft at $180.95, and the order appears over here, Traders Workstation, once you submit it. Okay, these are some of the programs you'll need to install: Visual Studio, Interactive Brokers API, and Interactive Brokers Traders Workstation. All the links will be in the description area. So once you've installed all that stuff, we can get started programming. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to File and make sure all solutions are closed. Hit that. And then you want to open a project or a solution. And then navigate to where your API, TWS API file is, solution file. Mine's under F drive. Yours should be under C drive under TWS API. Source, C# client, and client. And it's this one here. You open that. So then you go to build and build the solution. So the result of the build, C# API.dll file, was created in the debug folder. In the C folder under TWS API, source, C# client, client, bin, and debug. You can save that to another location that's more convenient for you, this file here, the DLL file. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to File, New, Project, and search for Windows Form. And select this one here, Windows Form App, and name it IB _ trading platform. Hit create. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to Project and add reference, and select this first one here. Check and say OK. That was the DLL file we created earlier. So now it's in our references, C# API right here. Next thing we want to do is add the eWrapper file. So to do that, you right click on the trading platform here, Go to add existing item and search for that. Yours should be in C under TWS API, samples, C#, testbed, and right here. That's the file we want. Add that. So that's added here. Okay, in your eWrapper file, you want to add this. Also change this samples to what we named our project, AB Trading Platform, or IB. And also adding IB as an import. And just make sure all the imports look like mine. Like using system, collection, generic, and all this stuff. And make sure you change the namespace and using IB Trading Platform. Okay, next in your program files, or program file, right here, you want to add some imports here like system threading. Make sure system collection generic is there too. And IB API. Okay. In your form 1 file, to double click on your form to get at it. And here you want to add using system threading. Also using API. Also in here, add eWrapper. Next in here, add this IB client equals new IB .e wrapper. Okay. Okay, the next thing we want to do is go to Form Design, add a button. Let's see, button. Combo box and a list box. Okay, the properties for the button. For the text, it'll be connect. And for the name, BTN connect. For the combo box, name will be CB symbol. Text, where is it? Text use stock symbol like Micro said. You can also add more of them to the drop down list by clicking on connection in this button here. Okay, add those there. Go to the list box. Call that LB data. That's all you have to do there. Okay, the next step. Double click on connect for the button connect click event. In there you put this. Okay. Next step. Add this in here. Okay, add this here. Okay, just make sure it looks like this. Make sure this is in there and this here. Okay, because we added this earlier. Okay, next, go to your eWrapper file here under next order ID. Paste that in there. Hit Control F and do a search for tick price. Because in tick price here, you're going to add this in there. And then in tick size, which is right below it, add this in there. Then add this to your, back to your forms, under where click connect. or connect event. Add this. Let's see if it works. Hopefully we don't get any errors. Okay, the form come up nicely. Okay, a few other things I want to add. Under here, add this. Calls a method. And we'll put the method right under here. Try it out now. This just gets data for a certain stock, whatever's in the text box, the symbol text box, when it connects, so it'll get the data immediately. But it's delayed quotes because I'm using a trial version of the TWS Interactive Brokers Workstation. So connect it. Okay, before you connect, you gotta do a few things. You gotta go to your Traders Workstation here in Interactive Brokers and go to File, Global Configuration, API, Settings, and make sure Enable ActiveX and Socket Clients is checked off and you're using port 7496. Once you have that done, you hit apply and OK, and that should be set, and you won't have to do that again before you connect. So connect it. Okay, there's the data coming in, so we know it's connected. And the field here has all these numbers in front of it. Like 68, I believe, is the ask price. And there's information on this stuff on the Interactive Brokers website, whatever field number represents. Like some might be volume, like 74 would be the volume, 72 might be the previous day's close, something like that. But all that information is there. I'll leave a link to it. Here's my Interactive Brokers thing. So let's see. Go to Microsoft. See what the quote says. $183.70 by $183.88. Okay, there's $188.83.88, so 67 must represent the ask price. So 68 maybe the close. I think 66 is the bid, but I don't have that there. 66, yeah, 183.70, 183.70, 183.88. That's the ask price. So yeah, please like and subscribe. I may put this up on my website. I changed my website because I didn't want to pay a monthly fee of $10, so I named it Sharper Trading Image blogspot.com, I believe it is. So I'm going to put that code there, and you can get all the other code from my previous videos, not necessarily the earlier ones I've done, because they no longer work anyway. So anyways, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. to part 2. We'll be going on to add the ability to request live streaming data and placing orders and stuff like that. Anyway, thanks.